EVA versus PUR adhesive. Which is the right choice for modern furniture manufacturing? Let's take a look at this visual comparison. EVA adhesive is widely used thanks to its low cost and ease of application. However, under humid conditions, high temperatures, or after prolonged use, the glue line can start to deteriorate and peel off, directly affecting product durability and finishing quality. In contrast, PUR adhesive sets a completely different standard. With superior bonding strength, excellent moisture and water resistance, and a thinner, cleaner glue line, PUR ensures long-term stability, even in humid or challenging environments. Moreover, PUR enables a near-invisible glue line, often referred to as a no-line finish, while maximizing the overall durability of the product. This is why PUR is increasingly becoming the standard in modern furniture factories, especially for high-end and export-oriented production. So, what should you consider when switching to PUR adhesive? To ensure optimal performance, the machine must be equipped with a dedicated PUR glue system, such as a separate glue pot or a top-mounted glue unit. This is essential to maintain adhesive stability, prevent premature curing, and optimize operational efficiency in real production environments. Among the solution providers in this field, QUOC Machinery stands out as a pioneer in implementing and scaling PUR edge banding technology in Vietnam. Through extensive real-world deployment across multiple factories, QUOC has helped manufacturers improve product quality, enhance durability, and significantly increase the water resistance of their glue lines, meeting increasingly demanding market standards. At QUOC, we offer a wide range of edge banding machines designed to integrate PUR adhesive from the beginning, allowing flexible operation without the need for disassembly or modification, ensuring long-term machine stability. In addition, our separate PUR glue pot solutions are available in various configurations, including single pot and dual pot systems, enabling two-color application and quick switching between adhesives during production. One of the standout configurations is the CB672S2P PUR. This machine is fully equipped with advanced edge banding units and allows seamless switching between EVA and PUR, giving manufacturers the flexibility to handle both standard and high-end orders efficiently. The dual-color, large-capacity separate PUR glue pots ensure stable operation over extended periods, while eliminating the need for time-consuming cleaning processes when switching adhesives, a task that can otherwise take hours in real production. Designed with practical factory operations in mind, the CB672S2P PUR not only enhances glue line quality, but also reduces downtime, optimizes workflow, and improves overall production efficiency. As product quality standards continue to rise, choosing the right technology from the start is key, not only to strengthening competitiveness, but also to building a sustainable manufacturing foundation for the future. QUOC is ready to support you in implementing the right PUR solution, from equipment to real-world production setup, helping you optimize efficiency for your factory.